All right, guys, so all the problems with our Crosman DPMS, SBR, R1, and the MPW is right inside here. This little rubber piece inside here is causing all the misfires and is more than likely the main cause of hammer failures from day one and internal part failures due to 100% blowback caused by the rubber seal blocking the BB from firing. Now this should be the first mod you do to prevent premature failure of the internal part. So let's take this apart and I'll show you what I'm talking about. And it's only 3 screws to take this apart. Just one here, and one on this side. Take this screw out. That's it. 3 screws, guys, and this comes apart real easy. Barrel even comes out. Now, pop this piece out. And this is our problem right here. So let's take a BB and you'll see what I'm talking about. Look at the BB sits on top there. Now I have to push it pretty hard to pop it through, and look, it's still sitting there. This BB's not going to go through and you're going to get low FPS. And you can see it's slowly pushing it through and finally it goes through. Even on this side here, the BB kind of sits in there, right? So let's take my modified one and you'll notice no issues, no resistance, nothing's blocking it, nothing's stopping it. And what I did was I just went and used a drill bit. I think this one's a 732. I just kept going this way, and then I would go clockwise again, take a little bit out, take a little bit more out, and keep going with it. And eventually it opens it up, still creates a nice seal around here. Now you don't want to go too much bigger because what will end up happening is your barrel inside here actually rests up against this rubber piece. Kind of a stupid design. If you go and see what I did to mine here, I actually put C-clips inside there. All I'm going to do is just keep working this. Now, what also happens is when you put the magazine, this rubber here can distort a little bit. And that's what's causing our problems. Okay, let's see if that's helping. It's getting there. Okay, so now that I've used that drill bit, I step up to one of these drill bits, or one of these bits here, and I just keep working it, right? Just taking off a little bit more rubber every time. So we've opened that up a little bit more. See, it's getting there. Okay, so to speed things up a little bit, I use a drill. All right, guys. I used a 732 drill bit, and then I also used this piece here, which really helps out, opens it up a little bit. And you'll notice now that I shouldn't have as much of a block. You're still going to get a good seal all around here. And now look. Look at that. That's exactly what you want. You'll have no more misfires. And it's real easy to put back together. Put it back in like this. Put this in like this. Tighten things back up. And that is it. That's all you have to do, guys. And that will fix your misfires. Now what I do is I just tighten this up a little bit. All right, guys. So that will fix your misfires. You should have no more misfires. Now you can go back out and have some fun plinking. So if you went and bought one and returned it because you were frustrated, maybe go buy it again and try it and see what happens. Because I bet you won't have the same issue anymore. So that's what the problem is, guys. The rubber piece in here is causing a bit of pressure right here up against the BB, causing the BB not to come out and only allowing blowback. So any little restriction right here causes all the issues. Now, if the internals have gotten damaged in any way, then you're going to probably have to either replace the hammer or this piece inside here, because this one will stick. You can see this one's open. It should spring back. So they wear out inside there. And now I understand why this is breaking or failing. It's because when it's going 100% blowback, this is actually hammering back really hard, and the aluminum and the metal in here are vibrating different. This rivet is getting knocked out because of the vibration and the different metals, because this is an aluminum piece and this is a steel piece. And because of that vibration, this gets knocked out, causing it to fail. So that's why the hammers are failing. And so, hey, if this video helped, give it a thumbs up, share, like, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. All right, guys, I'm going to have some fun. Thanks for watching.